Have you ever seen how a CNC machine makes perfect wood design? Today we will watch this amazing wood cutting process step by step. Wait until the end to see the final result. This is a CNC router machine. CNC means computer numerical control. This machine cuts wood very precisely using a computer program. It is widely used in furniture and wood design industries. Wait until the end to see the final result. First, the MDF wood board is placed on the machine table. The design is already programmed in the computer. Now the machine starts moving automatically. The cutting tool begins shaping the wood carefully. As you can see, the tool is moving smoothly. It is cutting straight lines with equal spacing. The machine follows the exact design pattern. This process requires high precision. Now the CNC machine is making deeper cuts. Each line is perfectly aligned. Even a small mistake can damage the design. But this machine works with great accuracy. The computer controls every movement of the cutting tool. The speed and depth are already programmed. That is why the result is always clean and professional. The part is very satisfying to watch. The lines are forming a beautiful pattern. Wood carving like the save time and manual efforts. Now the design is almost complete. You can see how smooth and perfect the surface looks. The machine finishes the final lines carefully. And here is the final result, a perfect wood design made by CNC machine. If you enjoy watching machine processes like this, subscribe to Daily Work and like this video. Thank you.